It's rare to find a home under $500,000 this close to Old Town Scottsdale. And this one just hit the market. This move-in ready home has no HOA, just minutes from Old Town Scottsdale, has easy 101 access, and even has camelback views. Inside you'll find updated flooring, fresh paint, recessed lighting, stainless steel appliances, and dual pane windows. The major updates are already done too. Newer HVAC, water heater, sewer line, plus smart home features like Nest Smart Lock and smoke detectors. Outside, enjoy low maintenance turf, an RV gate with room for your RV, boat, or trailer, and a custom backyard mural by a local artist. Homes like this in Scottsdale don't come around often. This one has everything buyers are looking for, so come and swing on by.